All right, it's 7 o'clock. We're gonna go ahead and get started, guys.
The reason I came here in the first place was because I wanted to grow. I wanted to help grow a business. I wanted to be a part of that. So that's what I come here every day for, is to make this place better.
They care about you here. They care about your well-being, and if anything going on, then they'll do all they can to help you out.
I work with an amazing group of people. Everybody meshes well, everybody gets along, and it's just a nice environment to be in.
When I joined arch-fab, we were just a team of 25. Now we're nearly 100 employees, and it's really great to see that even though we've had a lot of growth, the work that I do, my work is still felt.
Our number one core value is to make and keep meaningful promises, first to our employees and then to a list of other people.
If you tell somebody you're going to do something, then do it. If you don't mean it and you're not going to do it, don't make the promise.
Most companies don't put employees first. They think customer, customer, customer. But the philosophy here is it's very important, because if you create and keep those promises to employees, they're going to do their absolute best to create and keep them to their customers.
It's not hard to be different in construction. You need to show up on time, you need to keep your promises, and that all starts with great communication to our employees and that core value of keeping those promises.